summer long ago, a little seed was sown by a farmer with no shade. The hourglass of time, he watched it slowly climb, while he began to fade, and we never see the shade from our trees. I sat beneath the tree, a canopy of leaves to block the summer sun. The branches reach so high, stretching toward the sky. I leaned against the trunk, and we never see the shade from our trees, and we never see the shade from our trees. And we never see the shade from our trees, and we will never see the shade from our trees. We will never see the shade. Your fingers tapping on the table, my feet are bouncing on the floor. I haven't slept for 40 hours, and I will wait for 40 more, until the last shot of the war. They say that waiting is the worst part. I only hope that that's the case, but I won't let a single instant or a moment go to waste to watch a memory erased. Hold on now. Hold on now. 'Cause I don't have the time to wait. No, I don't wanna be too late. Your face is burned into my memory. I've traced the lines so carefully. I've memorized the hills and valleys and the freckles on your cheek, the way you smile in your sleep. You say that nothing lasts forever, but I won't let you fade away. As time begins its slow destruction, the inescapable decay, the colors bleaching into gray. Hold on, hold on, 'cause I don't have the time to wait. No, I don't wanna be too late. Vegan zombies like cauliflower because it looks like brains. They can munch on it for hours. It never feels no pain. And though they never would complain, they know it doesn't taste the same as a lightly salted, juicy human brain. Temptation leads us all astray. The best can fall and lose their way. Even the flour, morning, noon, and night. Always sweet and never sour, it won't put up a fight. But sometimes in the summer heat, they crave the taste of human meat. And heaven knows we all deserve a treat. They head on down to Carytown, where the farmer's market can be found. An organic, free-range